If you just woke up, like I did, and you need something to help you get a little bit more flexible, but not too crazy because it's still early and you're still feeling a little bit stiff, this routine is perfect for you. We're gonna focus on super duper low flow, easy warm up slash stretches to help you get started for your day. Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome back to Enna Benzi, or welcome if you're new here. Also, as a reminder, if you are looking for more support, more guidance, one-on-one from me and also from other members, you can totally join. And I would love for you to join my Patreon, where I post a lot of helpful content where we're breaking down stretches. I do more of a talking over routines. You get early access, you get exclusive content, and you get a lot of other cool stuff like live streams and ways to participate in my content as well. The link will be down below in my description and also on my Instagram. I'll see you there. Let's get into it. Thank you so much for stretching me this morning. I hope you feel better. I hope you feel more awake. That's my goal. If so, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, and share it with somebody who might want to stretch with us as well. And I will see you in the next video. And if you need something more visual to help you get started on your flexibility journey, I have my free PDF stretching guide for you. Click the link down below in my description and you can download it. It has photos for all the parts of our bodies to help you ease into your stretching journey and to feel better overall.